Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can save your game in your GTA San Andreas game. So to save your game, firstly you need to complete the few first missions, just like riding this bicycle to Group Street back home, and after you have completed the first mission, this house will be unlocked for you to go in. You just need to go in this house, and after you have entered the house, you need to walk in to that save file right there. So you need to walk over to this file right here, and it will open up the save file right here. There will be an autosave, but in other empty slots you can click on it and your save will be successful. So that's how you guys can save your game in GTA San Andreas. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if you could, please comment down below what video you guys would like us to cover next for GTA San Andreas. That will be a great help. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.